If you have PCOS and are trying to conceive, you have probably heard that it can make things more complicated. But complicated doesn't mean impossible. The key is understanding how your body works and making the right adjustments to support ovulation and hormone balance. In the UK, 1 in 7 couples face difficulty conceiving, and one of the most common causes is polycystic ovary syndrome, affecting about 10% of women. But here's the good news. I'm going to show you how to restore hormonal balance naturally. We will be looking at PCOS from both a Western medical perspective and through the lens of the traditional Chinese medicine. You will learn how diet, lifestyle, acupuncture, and herbal medicine can improve ovulation and increase your chances of conception. And if you want more tailored advices, don't forget that Ginseng London offers a free online consultation. Just check the link in the description. So what is PCOS? Why does it affect pregnancy? You're watching Ginseng London channel. I'm Bruce. Before we get into solutions, let's understand the problem. So PCOS is a hormonal disorder where high androgen levels disrupt ovulation, leading to irregular cycles, ovarian cysts, and issues like acne, hair loss, and insulin resistance. Since ovulation is necessary for pregnancy, these imbalances can make it more difficult to conceive. In traditional Chinese medicine, PCOS is a sign of imbalance in the liver and kidney systems. Liver qi stagnation can block proper blood circulation, leading to ovarian cysts, while kidney weakness can result in dampness and phlegm accumulation, causing further hormonal disruption. Instead of just treating symptoms, GCM works holistically to restore the body's natural balance, supporting ovulation and overall reproductive health. Strategy 1. Balancing your blood sugar for hormone regulation. One of the key factors in PCOS is blood sugar imbalance. Elevated insulin levels cause the body to produce more testosterone, which interferes with ovulation. Managing blood sugar is essential for restoring hormonal balance. So from a Western perspective, this means reducing sugar and processed carbs. In TCM, we focus on strengthening digestion and clearing dampness. Nourishing foods like warm soups, lean proteins, and good fats help stabilize blood sugar, while avoiding cold and raw foods can support spleen qi. Bone broth, for example, is a fantastic way to nourish kidney energy, improve digestion, and enhance blood circulation to the uterus. Slow-cooked stews packed with lean meats like chicken, lamb, or beef are excellent choices as they provide sustained energy and support blood circulation. Steamed or stir-fried vegetables such as spinach, bai choy, and carrots offer important vitamins while being gentle on the digestive system. On the other hand, certain foods should be avoided or consumed in very limited amounts, as they can contribute to hormonal imbalances and disrupt digestion. Raw and cold foods such as salads, smoothies, and iced drinks tend to weaken the spleen in TCM. Highly processed and refined carbs like white bread, pastries, and sugary cereals cause blood sugar spikes and increase insulin resistance, exacerbating PCOS symptoms. DM us for a more personalized dietary plan for you. Strategy 2. The importance of weight management. So weight plays a critical role in fertility, and even a modest reduction can make a significant difference in restoring hormonal balance and improving ovulation. Studies show that women who are overweight have almost twice the risk of fertility treatment failure compared to those at a healthy weight. So weight gain is not just about excess fat. It is often linked to dampness accumulation caused by spleen weakness and sluggish metabolism. When the body is unable to efficiently transform food into usable energy, excess fluid and waste accumulate, leading to stagnation. This internal build-up creates an environment that not only affects digestion and energy levels, but also disrupts reproductive function, making it hard for the ovaries to release eggs regularly. So rapid weight loss or extreme dieting can actually weaken the body further, making hormonal imbalances even worse. Instead, gradual and steady weight reduction is the key to sustainable results. Gentle movements that promote circulation, like brisk walking, Tai Chi, or yoga, can support metabolism without overwhelming the body. Another important factor in weight management is maintaining consistent meal timing. Eating at irregular times or skipping meals weaken the spleens further, leading to cravings, energy crashes, and difficulty losing weight. Instead, establishing a regular eating schedule helps the body process food more efficiently and prevents excessive insulin spikes, which are common in women with PCOS and contribute to weight gain. Strategy 3. Restoring hormonal balance with stress management and GCM remedies. So hormonal balance isn't just about diet and weight, it's also deeply affected by stress. When the body is under chronic stress, it releases high levels of cortisol, which can interfere with insulin regulation, disrupt ovulation, and worsen PCOS symptoms. Many women overlook stress as a contributing factor, but in reality, unmanaged stress keeps the body in a constant state of imbalance, making it hard to conceive. In TCM, stress is closely linked to liver qi stagnation, which affects the smooth flow of energy and blood throughout the body. When the liver is blocked, it can lead to menstrual irregularities, hormonal fluctuations, and even increased estrogen levels, exacerbating symptoms like irregular cycles and difficulty ovulating. This is why managing stress is just as important as diet and exercise when trying to conceive with PCOS. Acupuncture is one of the most effective methods for restoring balance in the body. It regulates menstrual cycles, improves ovarian function, enhances blood circulation to the reproductive organs, and helps reduce stress-induced hormone imbalances. Many women with PCOS experience an improvement in ovulation and overall cycle regularity after incorporating acupuncture into their routine. Alongside acupuncture, Chinese herbal medicine plays a crucial role in restoring hormone balance. Herbs like donggui help nourish the blood and regulate menstrual cycles, while pony and licorice are known for their ability to lower testosterone and promote healthy ovulation. Spearmint tea, in particular, has been shown to naturally reduce testosterone levels, making it a great addition for women with PCOS. For women looking for a complete, natural solution, I understand that sourcing these herbs individually and ensuring the right balance can be overwhelming, especially when trying to manage PCOS and fertility at the same time. Ginseng's PCOS and Infertility Kit is especially designed to regulate cycles, balance hormones, and improve fertility naturally. The link is in the description for those interested in exploring this option. So, let's recap. The key to manage PCOS naturally and improve fertility comes down to balancing blood sugar, maintaining a healthy weight, manage stress, and using acupuncture and herbal medicine to restore hormonal balance. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. What is your biggest challenge with PCOS and fertility? I'd love to hear from you. If you want more natural fertility tips, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out the next one, where I share my best TCM tips for boosting egg quality. Remember, Ginseng offers a free online consultation. If you'd like personalized advice on your fertility journey, the link is below. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.